Hey everyone, I'm going to teach you how to do this low updo with just 2 fishtail braids. It is pretty simple. Fishtail braid, tied in the back, and then the rest of your hair wrapped around. So I hope you enjoy. To start off, you're going to do 2 braids down the side of your head this way towards till about the back of the ear. They will be Dutch, so inside out fishtail braids that are also French fishtail braids, so they're all gonna draw along the side of your head down until just about the back of your ear, and on this side too, and then I'll teach you how to roll everything up into the back to make it into a low updo. So take just a small section at the top, split it in 2, cross over, and then start drawing the outer parts underneath until you get a start of about 4 strands, anywhere from 4 to 6 strands, so that you can start the whole process of fishtailing. About where you can wrap it halfway around the back of your head, and I'll sugar it with a little rubber band or elastic. I like the skinny ones for this. Repeat on the other side. Start at the bottom of each and gently pull it loose a little bit to create this kind of more fat, loose looking braid. Then the braid actually looks like it has more hair in it than it actually does. Once you're happy with the fatness of your braids, you are going to take both ends and another elastic and secure them in the back of your head like this. It's okay if it's a little bit looser than you want it to be at the end, because when you wrap all this hair in, it'll tighten up for you. Once the hair is wrapped around, then you can take sections here, like where this hole is, and you can pin just above your ear, and then you can start using bobby pins to secure ends into place. So I'm starting right where I see this hole, right above the ear. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it helped you. Please let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel, and subscribe, obviously, and have a good day.